just one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I.
These nails I found out there.
What'd you say?
Nails. All nails.
Reagan.
All out there.
Why are you putting nails in the ground?
Me, it's other people. No.
Is that what you already picked up?
No.
That's more? Holy. Oh my
Someone was
gosh.
out here with pallets burning them at one time, and all the nails were left over from the pallets.
Good job. You look like a cheetah.
She's like trying to drag you.
Dude, all we're doing is missing is E.T. Oh, fun world.
They're so tiny. This one is the first one I found. I saw it fall out of a tree.
So many. You don't need it.
Dude, that thing is
Put
massive.
them right here for now.
You have dirt on your forehead. Did you know?
Oh my gosh, they're all coming over.
There's a duck store. I have 5 over here.
Keep your eye on it.
It's the perfect time to play. There's a storm coming.
Okay.
There you go. What is on the floor?
It's mine coffee. I warmed it up
Oh, you're warming it up?
because I checked it. It's warm.
What is it?
Brown beef and sugar.
That's ground beef and sugar coffee?
This is Mystery. He's an inchworm. Well, he or she. I think it's a she. Or he, but it's an inchworm that we found on a huckleberry bush. Come on, Mystery. Come on.
Put them near the leaf.
Come on, Mystery. Good job. Come on, Mystery. Come on, good girl. Mystery.
can't tell if these are,
It looks like they're growing thorns, but they're not pokey.
if they're edible, non-edible. What do you think?
Chipmunks were eating them, so.
Chipmunks were eating them and they weren't dying immediately, so I would say that, so I'd say they're probably safe.
Thanks for the image.
I'm assuming they're safe.
Great.
Where's the organ grape?
Over here.
She said they're really bitter though.
But look,
When they're not done.
these are grown.
Yeah, but those are huckleberries. Look, it's the same type of plant.
Oh, it's like.
They're mixed in, and then that's a swinberry, but you don't want to eat those. They're super.
Gross.
She said they're really bitter.
Good.
It's really sour and sweet.
Well, I
Okay,
found
I'm
some
on.
bigger ones. Maybe these aren't just fully.
Just one more.
Okay, found the perfect one.
Oh, that's big.
Oh, there's skeeters out now. Okay.
Huckleberry.
They're
They're super sour. Like,
you just do this. Jump to do it. You wanna do it?
You feel cool? I don't think I can fit in your little sweater, but it would be cool if I could do that. Smooth sailing, dude. You got this. You got it. Now you got all the skills you need for life. They are gonna miss him so much.
Can I have a kissy?
You all get kisses.